The designer actually did this online, so it was actually very quick. We gave him lots of pictures of the areas that we were looking to improve, and he called us with great ideas. He actually made some suggestions on areas that we weren't even thinking of, which we ended up going with and liked very much. Well, I'm a visual person, so drawings always help me. But yes, he specifically drew out what things would look like and where they'd be located, which I did find very helpful. Delivery process was fine. It took a week or so because I had quite a bit of work done, but it was simple and streamlined. The lead installer was very nice, asked a lot of questions, wanted to make sure that things were being installed exactly the way I wanted them. And then the painters were great as well, because I had the steps done and we were trying to match the stairs. So they actually put a lot of effort into making sure that the pillars on the stairs match the current woodwork. I've actually used quite a bit of contractors. I liked them. I thought the employees were very nice, very easy to deal with, and the quality of the work was great. I would, absolutely.